Picture this. World War II, a time of uncertainty and secrecy. Now, imagine the unsung heroes, not humans but pigeons. Yes, pigeons. These winged messengers carried vital intelligence across borders, braving enemy fire and harsh weather. Trained by both the Allies and the Axis, they were an indispensable part of the war effort. Equipped with tiny cameras, some even became the first aerial spies, capturing images of enemy positions. Others, dubbed war pigeons, delivered critical messages, saving countless lives. Their bravery earned them the Dickin Medal, the animal equivalent of the Victoria Cross, awarded for conspicuous gallantry or devotion to duty. Intriguing, isn't it? The humble pigeon, a spy, a hero, they truly were the feathered warriors of World War II. A moment of silence for these unsung heroes, please. Until next time, remember, not all heroes wear capes. Some have feathers.